In this video, we'll go over how to replace the faceplate and indexer mount on your countCAM2. For the faceplate, you'll need the replacement and a T10 torque screwdriver. For the indexer mount, you will need a replacement and a Phillips head screwdriver. We'll start with the faceplate. To start, you'll need to undo the 8 screws on the faceplate. And once those are loose, gently remove the faceplate and unplug the button from the camera. Then take the screws and rubber washers out of the old faceplate and set them aside. Then, with the new faceplate, make sure the rubber washer on the back side is securely in the channel. Connect the power button to the camera and place the faceplate on the camera. Then, place the screws removed earlier into the 8 slots in the faceplate and begin tightening them down. You'll want to make sure that each screw has a rubber washer on it. And you'll want to tighten the screws so that they press into those rubber washers, but don't over tighten, because this will cause the washers to be squeezed out of the channel and they won't make a watertight seal. So if you see those rubber washers kind of bulging out from underneath the screw, you've over tightened them and you should loosen them just a little bit. And you'll also want to remove the protective film that is there for shipping. That can just be peeled off. And to replace the indexer mount, take the Phillips head screwdriver and loosen the screw in the middle of the mount. Then depress the lock button and remove the indexer mount and set aside that screw and metal washer. Take your replacement, press down that lock button, place the new mount in the receiver. And then place the screw with the metal washer into the screw hole and tighten that down. Now you'll want to check that the new mount is loose enough so that it can move freely, but not so loose that it'll wobble in place. So you'll have to adjust how tight you tighten that screw a little bit to achieve a good balance between those.